Yo, hello traders, it's your boy Juba Snipe. I'm back with another video. So guys, I'm doing these videos so that you guys can be able to know how I take a trade using my strategies, right? So guys, as you can see now here, I'm looking at Euro JPY. You can see guys, I have no trade in the market. There's no trade, there's nothing. Guys, I'm sharing all my details. You guys can be able to start making money using my strategies. Remember guys, everything I do is to help you guys out, just to see you guys making money. You know what I'm saying? You know, otherwise guys, I would have been selling my strategies and everything. So I'm looking at euro JPY. As you can see here, it's about to buy. As you can see right here, excuse me, as you can see right here guys, it's at 980 level and it's already break level 20, but I'm still waiting some very strong confirmations. I have them right here. You can see the market has been trying to break this area but couldn't, and you can see now it's kind of giving us kind of uptrend, and now it's about to shoot on uptrend, very crazy, you know. So now what I'm gonna do right now, as you can see guys, the signal is amazing, absolutely amazing. You can see that is amazing right here. It's on uptrend, which we're willing to shoot from this point here all the way guys to this point. So for this who doesn't know, first thing first, please hit that like button below. This strategy, I already drop it, you know what I'm saying? Everyone, I hope everyone already catch it. And if you did catch it, you didn't catch it, I'm gonna give to you right now. So as you can see guys, I'm about to take this trade right now, and you will see me guys the way I'm going to make money from this market right here. So first thing first, I'm going to give the signal to my team, you know what I'm saying? And then after that, I'm gonna come back and take my opportunity. As you know guys, I always give my trade first to my team, and then I take the trade after they took. So as you can see guys, it's time to take the opportunity. So give me some 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Let me go ahead and give the signal to my team, then I'll be right back. Yes guys, I'm back again. I already give the signal to my team. So now let me buy my currency guys. I'm gonna buy my currency now. This is my lot size always. Listen guys, so I'm gonna buy the market right now guys. This is another thing guys you need to know, right? This is another thing you need to know about the market. Always you must have one lot size which you're going to use for a while. This is how you must always remember to use the proper risk management. How do you use proper risk management? Take risk of 2% according to account balance. Take risk of the money that is not going to make you panic when the market against you. And you must choose the lot size that you're going to use for some time, not changing the lot size today, and then tomorrow you change to another one. You know what I'm saying? Not changing the lot size today and then tomorrow you change to another one. No, that is not a good thing. So always make sure you choose one lot size which you're going to use for some time. You must use like a one lot size maybe for 2 months or 3 months, and then upgrade after 3 months or 2 months. You know what I'm saying? So this is part of, this is part of risk management as well. So guys, we already took our trade. So now I'm gonna give them the stop loss. So the stop loss is going to be which side should I put the stop loss? So guys, listen, make sure you join the team, yeah. Make sure you join the team guys. I always recommend you guys to join the team because you guys gonna be able to start making money in the market. You make money where you running, you know what I'm saying? You make money where you running, so you don't have to wait. you might be learning, but at the same time you might be making some money as well, to just to, you know, to help you out. So join the team, yo. The link is on description below. You can click the free Telegram group, then you will be able to join the team. So guys, as I said, you can see that we're getting the profit. Trust the strategy, guys. The strategy is so amazing. The strategy, guys, it's so amazing. So give me some 2 minutes, you know, say some 2 minutes. I just want to give them the stop loss quick. My team, I just want to give the stop loss to my team. Okay guys, I'm done giving them the stop loss. Look at this, guys. We're getting to the profit again. We're getting to the profit, you know what I'm saying? We're getting to the profit. So I also gonna put my stop loss as well. Let me also put my stop loss. You know how we do, guys. You must always make sure you protect your account, you know what I'm saying? Never trade without putting the stop loss, guys. Never do it. Never trade without putting the stop loss. So as you can see, guys, this is why I put my stop loss right here. Here's my stop loss. Let me show you on our time frame. Here, I don't know if you all can see here. Here's my stop loss right here. This one right here is my stop loss. You can see here. So this is how we do it. This is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. So guys, let's wait, guys, and then so guys, this is how I take my trade, you know what I'm saying, using this strategy. I hope you know now, you know how to do it. No big deal. All you need is to wait. If you are using this strategy, all you need is to wait the market to reach at level 8, and then you buy the currency. After the market reaches level 8, you can wait a little bit the market to break level 20, and then you enter. All right, and then after you enter, you're gonna swing the market level 60 here. This is going to be your first take profit right here, and the last take profit is level 90 right here. You can even take your last profit at level 8 just to protect yourself, you know. I think this profit is not it's enough from level 20 here all the way to level 8 at this point. I hope this profit is enough. For sure, it's really enough. So once the market reach level 8, you can take your profit and stay out the market. You wait for another market to do the same thing, and once you find another signal, you take that signal, you know. Easy like that. Easy like that. And then, as you know, if you're gonna sell the currency, you sell from here level 90, you sell all the way level 20. Level 20, it might be your last take profit, just for you to be safe. Level 20, it might be your last take profit, or else you can swing all the way to level 8, but level 20, this might be your last take profit for real, just for you to be safe. So guys, I hope you enjoying this, because I'm having a lot of these questions. And when it comes to the zoom level, guys, if you are using this strategy, do not use any zoom level. Do not do something like this. No, this is the stupid thing. Don't do it. If you does this, you're gonna lose your money, because the strategy, it's no longer makes sense. Look at the moving averages. The moving average must be zoomed in like that, so that it might show you like, yo, this is the real time to enter the market. You know what I'm saying? Because it must touch the levels by itself, not you forcing it to touch the levels. So do it. Make sure you zoom in like that. No zoom level allowed to this strategy. Guys, we're getting to the profit, and we're expecting to kill this market. It's so crazy, you know. we expecting to kill the market. So crazy, guys. I hope everyone is making money through my strategies, right? Anyone who wants the strategy settings, make sure you watch the next video. I will share the whole settings for the strategy. Subscribe and like. See you on the next video.